Yeah, I think I watched too many scary movies because the thoughts that is going through my head while walking on this trail. These toes, there's like a whole bunch of water, like right here, right there. It's a whole bunch of toes and other stuff making all this noise. My pum pum in the car. Now, y'all, it's nice. Nice little walk by myself. Reflect, think, release. Okay, be back. Found me a little bench. Had to come take me a little sit down. Lord, I should have brought me some water. But yeah, it's cool and quiet out here. I just been driving past this little hidden gym for years. Okay. Get a little couple more seconds of rest. I think this is my second trail I'm on. Yeah, this is the second trail I'm on. Cheese. Say it gotta be, and they named it Benson. Benson the bee. Hope your asses don't get stung. Ooh. I'm still walking. Thought I was the only one on the trail, but apparently I'm not. Whew. Really and honestly, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't even know where I'm gonna end up at. I'm gonna have to turn back around and walk back down. Honestly, I'm just walking. Just walking. And walking. And walking. Whew. Yes. What's around me? I left them back there playing with Benson the Bee. They got a bee, they called it, and his name is Benson. Okay. So, hiking boots. These were foam runners. Ugh. Since I couldn't find another bench right now, I had to find me a log. Oh, Jesus Lord. Yeah, this is a good walk, though. I'm really having fun by myself. Talking to myself. Oh, I don't know why I keep yawning. Yeah. So I can get a little breather. Whew. Y'all, I really don't know where the hell I'm going. I'm just walking. Oh, y'all look at the little lizard. Y'all see it? Hey, look a lizard. Look a lizard. Oh yeah, go up under this branch. I hope I ain't lost. That's why they always say have a walking buddy. Shit, I ain't got one. So therefore, I'm by myself. And I will find my way back if need be. But right now, I'm just gonna keep on walking. I might have to turn around. I just been walking and talking to myself. And you know, I'm over here. Whew. Heard a woodpecker and I stopped. I'm stopping. Hope y'all still walking. Still walking on this trail. I don't know, this is like the third trail. Got time for me to gotta find my way back to my car, yeah. Gotta find my way back to my car, yeah. Whew. Okay. Getting back to... Wait a minute, is this where I came in? Wow. It was a circle. I'm back to where I started. What time is it? 1:44. And I said I was going to be back to my car at 1:40. Oh, look at God. I'm telling you, I thought I was lost. I didn't know where I was going. I'm so glad I found the little people again. But I just followed them. Oh my God. Yes. I've conquered about 3 trails. I got out here at 12:30. It is now 1:44. Ooh. These seats. I need some sit down. I need some water. Go home and take me a good old shower. Thank you, Lord. I made it. I gotta come back. I have to come. I might disclose my little personal gym. And that ain't GYM, that's GEM. Y'all can come see the nature. There's so many trails and stuff. And the funny thing about it, a lot of people here in Charlotte probably pass this gym a couple times a day, every week, every month. I don't even know it's here. But it's here. And I just conquered it. I need some water. Give me a shower. Yeah. We have to do this again. I'm gonna bring y'all with me again. Hey y'all, I'm out the car. Ooh. My hips are loose. No muscles in my hips. That's one thing this walking to make it do. Loosen up them muscles and hips. My hips feel like a little rubber band, just going everywhere. They just feel like rubber bands going everywhere. But yeah, this is a good little walk. Don't bring nobody here who's scared of bugs, who's scared of the nature, who's scared of the wilderness. Don't bring them here because they're going to be aggravating. When we get back to the car, there's so many bugs. There's so many this. You sure you're going the wrong way? How long this trail? Like, yeah. This is place for peace. Don't be on no time limit. But have a little time. Yeah. Now, getting back to the car. Here's my car. I'm getting this car. I'm gonna blast this goddamn air so hard. Whew. I ain't sweating as much as I thought I was though. But yeah, this is it. I've made it. I've made it. I see why they say this place closed at sunset, because ain't no way. Ain't no way. It's a little dark in some places, and it's light as hell outside. What they got? I want to find some water next time. A little map. What they got? Okay, I did the beach walk trail. That's 10 to 15 minutes. I did the covered bridge trail. That's 14 to 21 minutes. Did I do the Earl Creek? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got about 5 more trails to go next time that I didn't cover today. Okay. Well, next time we'll do those 5. Let's do a map. I can't tell y'all where I was. Cause hell, I don't know. Let me get on to this car. tired. I need some water. And yeah, ready to rest these lovely bones. Tired. Oh, Jesus, Lord. Turn that air on.